Hello, this is Nick with Albert Air Conditioning, and today we are looking at a ductless split system, and I'm going to let you know 12 things that you should know before you install one of these in your home. Okay, so I'm going to go through those, let you know those 12 things. Every customer needs to know these before they buy, because there's some specifics that will help you in your purchasing process of this system. As always, please like this video, subscribe to my page, and if you have any comments or questions about what I'm going to go through, please let me know. Okay, number one, these systems are all electric, meaning that there's a heat pump condenser outside here, and on the inside behind this line cover is the fan coil. They require either a 115 volt circuit or a 220 volt circuit. They need to be dedicated circuits. They cannot be plugged in to a wall outlet, okay? So if you're going with a single zone system, a 1-to-1, meaning one condenser, one fan coil, you can use a 115 volt circuit. Any multi-zone system uses a 220 circuit. Two, they also require a lot of other things. For instance, they require refrigerant lines, and these run inside this line cover right here. They require a condensate drain, which is draining into a pit that we dug in the cement. So we saw cut the cement, and we were able to put pea gravel in there, and that's how the system is draining. They require control wiring from this unit up to the fan coil units that are located inside, okay? Number three, they come in single zone options, meaning one condenser outside, one fan coil inside. They also come in multi-zone systems. So this system is actually a multi-zone. It has one condenser outside with two fan coil inside. We have one in this garage that was finished off downstairs, and then we did another one in the upstairs bedroom above that. Both these areas are roughly about 350 square feet. So we did a 12,000 BTU fan coil in the lower area and a 12,000 BTU in the upper area, and everything is ran in those line covers. So they come in different sizes. This size condenser is a 2.75 ton with, like I said, a 12,000 BTU for downstairs and a 12,000 BTU for upstairs. They come in 9,000 BTUs, 12,000 BTUs, 18,000 BTUs, 24,000, 36, and 48,000 BTUs. So depending on what you need for your house, you can get that. Different size rooms need different size fan coils and different size condensers. Five, they come in different efficiencies. So typically these will be anywhere from 18 or 19 SEER all the way up to your high 40 SEER units. Once you get up there, it's very, very efficient, but just starting at 18 to 19 SEER are very efficient. So now I'm looking at the inside unit, so you can see what that looks like. So a 1-to-1 system typically starts at about 18 to 19 SEER, and you can get up to 42 SEER on those. Multi-zone systems like the one I did, this one has one condenser, two fan coils like this. That one is 23.5 SEER, so it is very, very efficient. So also, number six, they can only cool at one time or heat at one time. So the condenser outside is set to cool right now, so both fan coils inside have to be set to cooling. One cannot cool and the other can heat at the same time. It's both cool or both heat at the same time. Seven, where you put the fan coils does matter. So a lot of people ask me, can I put it over a window like this? You would need to have 18 inches from here to the ceiling to be able to place that over the window. Then you also have the problem of where do you drain the unit. You can't drain it over the window, you have to run a drain line around it. So in this case, this is in the center of the room here. It is 6 inches down from the ceiling, and you have plenty of space on the left and on the right over here, so it can breathe good. The filters are on top up here, so that's where the air is brought in, and then you have the fins right here that push the air out. Number 8, they are made to cool one room only. So people ask me, if I put one of these in my living room, will it also cool the rest of my house? The technical answer is no, it won't. But if you have an open concept, you could put a really large fan coil inside and it might cover the great room. Who knows, it just depends on your scenario. Number 9, they are variable speeds. So they do multiple speeds. They start at, you set your temperature and then it will start up and it will go from a high speed to a low speed. It maintains the temperature in the room. It will vary its speeds depending on temperature and humidity and what it needs to use to cool that room. It does that as well for heat. Number 10, these are very quiet. Right now, this system is on, it's running, and you can barely hear it. This system is probably around 25 to 30 decibels indoors. The outdoor condenser was roughly around 60 decibels. So it is very quiet. On a higher speed, you might be able to hear the air a little more come out, but most of the time people don't even know they're on and they just cool the room just fine. Number 11, each unit uses its own individual control, as you can see here. So this control basically does your heat, your cool functions. It has an auto function, on, off. You can swing the mechanism here that puts out the air up and down. So it has a lot of great functions. There is options if you wanted to do a normal thermostat on the wall. We'd have to add a 24-volt transformer to that. And you could put a typical thermostat, like a Wi-Fi thermostat, on the wall. So that basically concludes the video. If you have any questions or comments, put them down below and I can answer those for you. I hope I went over some general things that will help you in your buying process of these systems. There is a lot to know and we're here to help you with that. So you can like this video, subscribe to our page for more informational videos like this, and hit the notification button for when I put another one out. You can also reach us at 714-526-6368 or at our website at www.albertair.com. Thank you very much.